guys! So, I've been building my morning skincare routine because mayroon tayong nighttime skincare routine na. But, as I've watched and read it, important din pala ang skincare routine, especially pag lumalabas ka ng bahay. But for me, I don't usually go out since I'm working from home. But I opted to have my morning skincare routine as well. So, what I do not use facial cleanser kasi galing naman sa tulad. And also, my skin is sensitive. So, hindi ko masyado nilalagyan ng other products kapag hindi naman necessary. So, what I use is paper towel lang. Not yung used towel ko. So, sabi nung sa dermatologist na nabasa ko, you can use toner twice or thrice a week. So, basically, what I search is yung mga products na good for sensitive skin and for mga trentahin or pakwarintahin na, ganyan. So, ito, Tear Milk Skin Toner. I think this is around 400? I'm not sure. So, ito yun. So, ganito yung consistency niya. Medyo light pa. Ayan. So, sabi ng mom ko, always stretch your face upwards para hindi magsag. So, that's how I apply toner. Tapos, pinapatuyo ko lang para mag-take effect. So, while waiting for that, so I have psoriasis and my sisters have it too. So, if you can see, I'm not sure if you can see this, yun yung mga nag-act up kong psoriasis. And yung mga naputi-puti, it comes from my psoriasis. There's no treatment talaga for that one. Just management of food, stress levels, and of course hygiene din. It also affects psoriasis. But lately, hindi na ako masyado psoriasis. That is because I have less stress now. So, thank you for my new work for giving me less stress than I needed. So, next is the vitamin C serum. So first, kailangan natin ng toner for specific concerns like extra hydration, oil control, or gentle exfoliation. So, bakit naman kailangan natin ng vitamin C? So, sabi dito, vitamin C can help you maintain the collagen you do have while encouraging new growth. It can help also to improve skin texture and give you a plump, hydrated complexion. Lalo pag nag-age na, need natin talaga ng hydration. So, since tumatanda na tayo, need natin ng onting plump lang. So, itong nabili ko is, ano siya, parang partner ni Hada Labo ba yun? Japanese skincare din siya. So, onti lang ang in-apply ko kasi medyo ano na siya thick. Hindi naman siya sobrang thick, but parang pag in-apply mo siya, covered na siya. Ito yung itsura. So, while medyo pinapatuyo natin siya at apply sa skin, ina-apply ko din sa skin ko yung, sa lips ko yung mga skincare. Kasi maganda din daw siya. Lalo sa akin, medyo nag-chop yung lips ko. Lastly, ito yung Collagen Green Tea Ceramide Bounce Cream. So, kailangan ko ng moisturizer with peptide. So, sinesearch ko yung ingredients niya, meron siyang peptide, specifically yung acetyl tetrapeptide 2. So this one included for skin firming and cell communicating. And also, for my skin, maganda daw ang green tea. I've been user now of Innisfree for so many years. Siguro mga 4 years na. So I have this for my night naman. But this is a different vlog. I also have my facial wash sa gabi from Innisfree. Innisfree? Kung alam yung bus. But ito yung moisturizer na gagamitin natin. So, ito yung pinakabago ko na-receive na actually kanina lang. So, I'm gonna use it at kukunin ko yung mga sobra-sobrang muna na nasa cover. So, ganyan lang ako mag-moisturizer. Usually, inaano ko rin yung neck ko. By the way, huwag niyo napansin ito, kagat yan lang. Kainis. So, may kulang pa ba sa atin? Sino makakapagsabi kung anong kulang pa natin? Yeah, sunscreen. Actually, dapat bibili ako ng collagen sunscreen kasi sobrang mahal pa niya. But, meron pa naman akong parang daily sunscreen ko dito, which is mura lang naman to. Ito yung ginagamit ko ngayon for daily. And since hindi naman ako masyadong lumalabas, parang di ko nga siya masyado ginagamit eh. Parang every other day ako nag-a-apply. Kasi hindi ako masyado lumalabas talaga. But sabi ng sister ko, dapat lagi pa rin nagsa-sunscreen kasi for the UV rays and everything. So this is SPF 50 naman. And also whitening and anti-wrinkle na daw. So, yeah. This is a good product. But, yung coverage niya, actually sobrang onti ko lang mag-sunscreen kasi yung coverage niya, look at this. Look ha. Sobrang, baka maging tayo sa labas. Pag lumabas tayo, like. So, dapat i-apply mo siya ng bongga kasi mangguging crinkles kapag labas mo. Diba? Look. So, sabi ng dermatologist na panood ko, start with the thinnest to the thickest. So, kung yung consistency niya is yung thickest, ihuli nyo siya. So, yan, pinapatuyo ko lang yan. Hindi ko yan muna ginagalaw or something. Minsan nga tinatapat ko yung mukha ko sa electric fan. Para mag-absorb ng skin natin. So, there you have it. That's my morning skincare routine. As if naman may mga pakialam kayo. Gusto ko lang mag-vlog kasi bored na ako dito sa bahay. Lalo pag mag-isa ka. Tapos mga kausap mo, mga aso. Diba? So, huwag nyo nang anuhin yung pag-vlog ko. Go lang ng go. I mean, wala namang nagsasabi na huwag ka mag-vlog, sure. So, go. Go ahead. So, ang next naman natin is yung nighttime skincare routine. So, tonight, I'm gonna show you how I do my nighttime. Bye!